Yes, good evening student. So today we will see what is weighted code and what is non-weighted code. And the question may be like that, what is weighted and non-weighted code, and explain with the example. So this is very simple because this meaning, this word is having a meaning of this weighted code and non-weighted code. Okay, so we will see first of all weighted code. Yes, so what is weighted code? So a weighted code is a binary code in which each bit position has a fixed weight. Yes, matlab each bit is having a fixed weight. So what is the meaning of this? I'll tell you. Yes, for example, you have a decimal number that is 9. Okay, so if you want to write this 9 number, how we are writing the 9 number in the binary form? That is 1001, right? Means for every position you can say it is having a particular weight. यहाँ पे कितना weight है? 1. यहाँ पे कितना होता है? This is what 2. Yes or no? This is what 4 and this is what 8. The same thing is given over here. Yes, same thing is given over here. This one 8421. मतलब this weights are fixed. That is इसके बाद होता है 16. 8421 नंबर नहीं है, normal binary one number होता है. 16, 32, 64 and so on, right? Means each digit is having a fixed weight, so that such a kind of code, it is called as a weighted code. An example is what? Example is what? 8421. Example is what? 8421 is a 8421 BCD code is example of weighted code, right? And this is the weighted code. Now what about non-weighted code? Exactly reverse of that, right? A non-weighted code is a binary code in which bit position do not have a fixed position. Okay, so and what is the example of this? It is a gray code. It is what? A gray code. Okay, gray code changes only one bit at a time between the successive number. Okay, so gray code, XS3 code, जो कुछ भी आपने हमने code देखे ना, so these are the example of non-weighted code. Such a kind of weight, fixed weight are not assigned for such a kind of code. Yes? Here bits do not carry fixed weight, hence gray code is a non-weighted code. So simple, weighted code and non-weighted code. Okay, in examination if the question is if question came, then you need to write the definition along with this example, definition along with this example. Okay. Thank you.